Imagine, if you will, a lone traveler journeying through the cold, endless darkness between the stars, a place so vast and empty that even light takes years to cross it. But this traveler is not a person, nor a spaceship from science fiction. Instead, it is something far more ancient and mysterious, a comet forged in the icy reaches of a distant solar system. This is no ordinary comet, but a true wanderer from the interstellar void. Its name is 3I/Atlas, the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected passing through our solar system. Unlike the comets we know, which orbit our sun in predictable paths, 3I/Atlas comes from another star's domain, carrying secrets from a place we may never visit. The very name interstellar marks it as a visitor from beyond, a cosmic tourist, briefly gracing our neighborhood before continuing its eternal journey. For astronomers, the discovery was like stumbling upon a message in a bottle, cast adrift across the vast ocean of the galaxy. What stories might it tell? What mysteries could it reveal about the worlds beyond our own? The Atlas telescopes in Hawaii first spotted it, a faint, ghostly smudge against the backdrop of stars. But its trajectory was unlike anything seen before, a hyperbolic path, meaning it was simply passing through, never to return. This was a once-in-a-lifetime encounter. Unlike the comets that call our solar system home, this icy wanderer was a snowball from someone else's cosmic backyard, carrying with it the chemical fingerprints of a distant star. By analyzing its composition, scientists hope to answer a profound question. Are the building blocks of life, water, organic molecules, common throughout the galaxy, or unique to our corner of the universe? Each observation brought us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. The astronomical community sprang into action, mobilizing the world's most powerful telescopes and instruments. For a brief moment, all eyes were fixed on this rare visitor, eager to unlock its secrets before it slipped away forever. As it approached the sun, anticipation grew. We expected a dazzling display, a comet brightening spectacularly, its ices vaporizing into a glowing, streaming tail that would light up the night sky and reveal its inner mysteries. But what unfolded was far from ordinary. The data confounded expectations, leaving astronomers both puzzled and excited. The comet's behavior was unlike anything we had seen before, hinting at secrets yet to be unraveled. The final images captured were haunting, blurry, enigmatic, and filled with unanswered questions. It was as if the comet had left us a riddle, challenging everything we thought we knew about these ancient travelers. This was not just a comet, it was a cosmic enigma, a puzzle from the stars, inviting us to look deeper and wonder what else might be out there, waiting to be discovered. And as it continued its journey into the unknown, disappearing into the starry abyss, we realized that its story and the mysteries it brought were only just beginning. Why all the excitement over one icy rock? Because 3I/Atlas was a vessel of knowledge, a cosmic Rosetta Stone. By analyzing its light, we could identify the chemicals it carried: water, carbon monoxide, maybe even complex organics. If these ingredients were present, it would suggest life's building blocks are common throughout the universe. The world watched as astronomers collaborated globally, sharing data and anticipation. The comet's shape, size, and density could reveal secrets about its home system. As it neared the sun, we expected it to outgas, releasing ancient materials for us to study. We hoped for a spectacular, predictable display, a once-in-a-lifetime event. The comet became a beacon of discovery, uniting us in curiosity. We thought we knew what to expect. But the universe had a different lesson in store. The answers we sought would come in a form no one imagined. To unlock 3I/Atlas's secrets, we used a global network of telescopes. The James Webb Space Telescope peered into the infrared, searching for water, methane, and other molecules. Ground-based giants like the Very Large Telescope and Keck Observatory captured high-resolution images and spectra. Even smaller telescopes, including Atlas, tracked its brightness and position nightly. This worldwide effort gathered mountains of data, confirming the presence of water ice and carbon-based dust, much like our own comets. Everything was going according to plan as the comet neared the sun. Then, the final image arrived. It was unlike anything we'd ever seen, and it changed everything. The image that changed everything was meant to be routine, a Hubble snapshot of the comet's nucleus. But when scientists opened the file, they saw not a single point of light, but a geometric pattern at the comet's heart. Instead of chaos, there was order, a precise arrangement of bright points, symmetrical and unnatural. The initial reaction was disbelief, surely a glitch or artifact. But checks confirmed it was real, present in the raw data and seen by other telescopes. This wasn't a comet breaking apart randomly. It was something structured, something that defied natural explanation. In the cold, chaotic realm of comets, such order should not exist. The image was beautiful, haunting, and deeply unsettling. It posed questions no one was ready to answer. The universe had just delivered a cosmic riddle, and we were left staring at a mystery. The comet's final act was a revelation. Let's paint the picture. At the very heart of the comet's coma, 9 points of light, each one shining with an unwavering intensity, arranged in a perfect 3x3 grid. Imagine the cold darkness of space, and then suddenly, this precise pattern emerges, as if someone had placed a cosmic chessboard at the center of a comet. These lights weren't scattered, nor were they the result of some random cosmic accident. They were precise, uniform, and identical in brightness, each one echoing the other in a way that defied the usual chaos of the universe. It looked less like a natural event and more like a deliberate formation, something constructed, not born from the unpredictable forces of nature. Nature, especially near the sun, is messy and unpredictable. Comets break apart in wild, chaotic patterns, their icy fragments scattering in every direction. Never, in all our observations, have we seen a comet display such perfect order. The odds of such a flawless grid arising by pure chance are, for all practical purposes, 0. It's like flipping a coin 1,000 times and getting heads every single time. Impossible, according to everything we know. Scientists were stunned. They faced two possibilities. Either our understanding of physics and cosmic processes was fundamentally flawed, or this object was not a product of nature at all. Then a third, even more profound idea began to take shape. Could it be artificial? Was this the work of intelligence, not nature? The image, quickly dubbed the Atlas anomaly, or simply the grid, spread like wildfire through the scientific community and beyond. It became a sensation, sparking debates, theories, and wild speculation. Every assumption about this interstellar visitor was upended in an instant. The rules had changed, and no one was sure what would come next. We were no longer studying a simple rock hurtling through space. We were confronting what appeared to be an artifact, something that might have been built, not born. The universe, already vast and mysterious, had just become much stranger, and perhaps much more crowded than we ever imagined. The questions were only beginning. What was this object? Who or what could have created it, and why? From that moment on, the night sky would never look the same. Every star, every comet, every shadow in the darkness now held new possibilities and new mysteries. The scientific community raced to explain the grid. Could magnetic fields or gravitational lensing create such order? Every theory failed. The symmetry, equal brightness, and stability of the points defied all natural explanations. The object was moving fast, fading as it left the solar system. After that one image, the structure vanished. Subsequent observations showed only a featureless cloud. The decision was made. The world had to know. The image was released, sparking global fascination and debate. For the first time, the question, "Are we alone?" had a tangible piece of evidence. This wasn't a blurry UFO photo. It was a crystal-clear Hubble image. Scientists were careful, but their astonishment was clear. The unspoken word was alien. No one could say it definitively, but the implication was unavoidable. The structure was not natural, and if not natural, it must be artificial. The grid image ignited a global conversation. Scientific, cultural, even spiritual. Was it a probe, a beacon, a message? The 9-point grid was endlessly analyzed. The leading theory, 3I/Atlas, was never a comet, but a disguised probe, a Bracewell probe, sent to explore and observe. The disintegration may have been the deployment of 9 sub-probes, now hidden or cloaked in our solar system. The silence that followed was profound. No signals, no approach, just disappearance. It was as if something had revealed itself, then vanished. We were left with a chilling thought. We are being watched. The universe, long silent, may have just whispered back. The implications were staggering, and humanity was left to wonder what comes next. This single image, capturing the vastness and beauty of the universe, has forever changed our view of the cosmos. It is a window into the unknown, a glimpse into the infinite. For centuries, we assumed we were alone in the universe. The Atlas anomaly shattered that certainty, revealing a cosmos teeming with possibilities. Suddenly, the question became, what now? How do we proceed in this new era of discovery and exploration? Funding for astronomy and space exploration surged as humanity united in a quest to understand our place in the universe. New technologies and missions were fast-tracked to search for the 9 mysterious objects and other cosmic anomalies, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. The discovery forced us to be humble. If such advanced technology exists, its creators are far beyond us, challenging our understanding of intelligence and civilization. We are no longer the masters of our domain, but cosmic infants just realizing we are not alone, our imaginations ignited by the possibilities. The rules of the universe seem less certain, the possibilities more vast and intriguing than ever before. Every star is now a potential home, every night sky a frontier waiting to be explored, each twinkling light a beacon of hope. The shift is from certainty to exhilarating uncertainty, a journey from the known to the unknown. The universe is no longer empty. It is alive with mystery, a vast expanse filled with secrets waiting to be uncovered. And we are just beginning to understand our place within it, embarking on a journey of cosmic discovery. The night sky will never be the same, forever transformed by our newfound cosmic perspective. Where do we go from here? The search for the 9 points of light is underway, using every tool we have. SETI is now mainstream, and we're not just listening. We're looking for artifacts. The Atlas anomaly has reignited dreams of interstellar travel. If someone can visit us, we must learn to reach the stars too. Research into advanced propulsion is accelerating, with a new sense of purpose. This discovery is a wake-up call, a reminder that we are all crew on a tiny spaceship called Earth. Perhaps the greatest impact will be to unite us in wonder and curiosity. The story of 3I/Atlas is just beginning. We stand at the threshold of a new cosmic era. The journey continues. Keep looking up.